Next, let me show you how to add basic shape to your Powtoon presentation. Initially, as my environment, I chose whiteboard look when I first logged in, but I'm going to change that. So I click on that up there and then I choose cartoon instead. So click on that. Now I have cartoon look. Okay, let's continue. At the right hand side panel, I look for shapes icon. I click on it and then I'm given various shapes. I click on the circle and I choose solid, so I click on it. And now it is placed right in the middle of the slide. I am now going to hover the mouse, the cursor over the shape and then drag it over to where the Philippines is because I want to highlight that. Okay, I place it right there. And now I am going to click on the color wheel and then I choose that purple color. Next, I'm going to click on the gear icon at the top and I choose opacity. I click on that and then I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, so now it's almost transparent. That's how I want it to look like. I'm again going to select that circle, so I click on it and then it gets highlighted in the timeline. So I move down to the timeline and then I right click on that icon over there and then click on Edit Enter Effect. Now I'm going to choose the effect that this object will have when it enters the screen. So let me hover my mouse over this one over here. Okay, so that is how the effect will be, and let me check this one. Okay, that is how the effect will be. I don't fancy the hand very much, so let me try this one. Okay, I like that, the no hand effect, so let me choose that. Okay, now that I have set the entrance effect for this object, let me see what I can do for the exit. So I'm going to drag that timeline to the very end. For now, I am not going to add any effect for the exit of this object. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So, and then now I'm going to change the timing for this object appearance. I'm going to drag it to the 7th second. So this object will appear at 7. So let's try it out. So I drag the timer to the very beginning of the slideshow, that is the 0th second, and then I press the play button and then it starts playing. Now watch out for the 7th second. Okay, so the object appears. That's all good.